we're going to do the personal logo. So the first thing that we're going to have to do is type our initials. Mine is A. Click on the T, type your A, click off, go back on the T, M, click off, click back, A. Now, click on your move tool and you click on whatever letter you want and you can make it bigger. Click on the second letter, make it bigger. Click on the third letter, make it bigger. You can use whatever font you want to use. Alright, so after we do that we have to put pictures behind it. So I'm going to do File, Import, File Open, and mine are under Logo, so I'm going to open up all three of them. These are the ones I'm going to use. So use your crop tool, or you can use your rectangular marquee and surround just the part you want. And then let's go up here and go to Float All in Windows so that you can see what you're doing. I'm going to minimize the rest of them. And once you have your body selected, use your move tool and move it into your logo. And remember that when you do clipping, it has to be on top. So this letter is on top of this A, but I need to move it on top of the other A because that's what I'm going to use to create it. So hold down Alt on your keyboard and click between layer 1 and A to make it a clipping. So now you'll see that my picture is inside of that A, and you can move it however you want to. You can shrink your picture, or you can make your letters bigger, however you want to do it. This is your picture, so you do it however you want to do it. Alright, so that's one. And then I'll use this second one. And again, the rectangular marquee. Move it out. Use your move tool. Drag it in. And again, it has to be on top, so drag it on top of the M. And I'm going to shrink it so it actually fits. And then hold down Alt on the keyboard and click between layer 2 and M. And then your last one, use your rectangular marquee and get your picture, get your move tool, drag it in. And again, remember it has to be on top of that A. So drag that picture up there. And then there's your picture. And again, hold down Alt on the keyboard and click between the two layers. So now all three of yours have a picture in it. So I'm going to use a stroke on the letter. I'm going to add a stroke to make it look a little bit more obvious. And you can actually right click on the stroke and do copy layer style and paste layer style to the other letters so that you don't have to do it over and over. And then in my background, I'll just add a gradient. And once you have the gradient done, you can save it as a JPEG and submit it on eChalk.